Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your revenue with Fiverr, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your revenue with Fiverr, start by logging into your Fiverr account. Locate the Analytics tab on the dashboard. Click on it to access your account's performance metrics. In the Analytics section, find the Earnings tab. Click on the Earnings tab to view a detailed breakdown of your revenue. Here, you will see different categories like completed orders, pending revenue, and cleared funds. Make sure to review each category carefully. Next, if you have multiple gigs, ensure you check the performance of each individually. To do this, navigate to the Gigs section from the main dashboard. Select each gig to view its specific earnings and performance metrics. If you wish to verify earnings over a specific time frame, use the Date filter. Adjust the start and end dates to narrow down your earnings reports. Once you set the dates, click Apply. This will show you your earnings during that selected period. For a comprehensive review, download the earnings report. You can find the download option in the Earnings section. This report provides valuable insights into your revenue and can be used for personal records. If you encounter discrepancies, review your completed orders list and any pending orders. Check for any cancellations or refunds that may have affected your total revenue. For further verification, consider cross-referencing with your PayPal or bank statement. Once you have verified all details, keep your records organized for future reference. This will help streamline your financial management on Fiverr. Remember to regularly check your earnings to stay informed about your performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.